Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk to you about what is the healthiest bread for weight loss. Now before I dive into this, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on this YouTube channel, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified. All people seek to get rid of excess fatty accumulations in areas of the body, especially after obesity has become one of the most common health problems in all countries of the world, as it causes many serious and chronic diseases. If they are eliminated quickly, it is the first cause of diseases of high pressure, diabetes and arthritis rheumatic, in addition to heart diseases, strokes, atherosclerosis, and others, so everyone is racing to work pragmatic and severe slimming programs to reduce this problem in record time. Perhaps sport and diet are among the most influencing factors on health and body weight, so it is necessary to control first the quality of food and its quantities, and from here we must talk about the preferred bread types for the success of the slimming process, because bread is the most nutrient food that people eat during the day, and it contains a high percentage of carbohydrates that are stored in the body in the form of fat if not burned in time, and therefore we display the most important types of bread that are recommended by international dietitians for the diet. The best bread for the diet. Soy bread, as all soy products are considered one of the most beneficial foods for weight loss in a short period, so soy bread can be eaten during the period of weight reduction, due to the minerals, vitamins and vegetable proteins it contains for a small percentage of calories, which gives the body adequate nutrition without a possible increase in weight, in addition to its other benefits in strengthening bones and reducing the incidence of various cancer tumors. Bran bread, as it is always recommended to use it as a substitute for regular bread, because it is able to provide the body with the necessary energy and vitality to perform daily tasks without being overweight or in calories, in addition to its other benefits in reducing digestive system problems, such as constipation, gas, and indigestion, as well as reducing diabetes and bad cholesterol in blood and protect the heart from clots. Oat bread, where oat bread has recently been used in many countries, instead of regular bread, to increase the demand for it, because it contains the lowest calories in grains, and eating this bread makes a person feel full and stomach full, and not wanting to eat more food for long hours from the day. It also contains a high percentage of vegetable fibers that improve digestion, and remove waste products from the body effortlessly, as it prevents chronic constipation, in addition to its main benefit in reducing weight and getting rid of the obesity problem. If you want more to learn more about weight loss, then please click the link in the description below this video now.